If Chrome is feeling slow or your computer is running low on memory, one of the fastest things you can do is end heavy Chrome processes and turn on Memory Saver. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to free up RAM in Google Chrome using Chrome's built-in task manager, and then how to enable Memory Saver so inactive tabs use less memory automatically. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the three vertical dots to open the Chrome menu. This is where most of Chrome's settings and tools are located. Now hover over More Tools. A side menu will appear, and from there, click Task Manager. Chrome's Task Manager shows you all the processes currently running inside the browser, including tabs, extensions, and subframes. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of processes. To find the biggest memory users, click the Memory Footprint column header. This sorts everything by how much RAM each process is using, which makes it much easier to spot the heavy tabs or extensions that are slowing things down. Now take a look at the top of the list. You might see a tab that's using a huge amount of memory, or maybe an extension that's eating up resources in the background. If you want to close one of those, click the process you want to stop. Make sure you choose the correct tab, extension, or subframe so you don't close something important by mistake. After selecting the high memory item, click the blue End Task button in the bottom right corner. Chrome will immediately stop that process and free up memory. This is especially useful if one tab is frozen, a page is using too much RAM, or an extension is causing performance issues. You can repeat the same step for any other heavy processes that you no longer need. Just sort by memory footprint again if necessary, select the item, and end the task. In a few seconds, you can often make Chrome feel much faster and more responsive. Now let's turn on Memory Saver, which is another great way to reduce memory usage automatically. To do that, click the three dots again in the top right corner, then click Settings. Inside Settings, look for Performance. Click that section and you'll see the Memory Saver option. Toggle Memory Saver on. When this feature is enabled, Chrome automatically frees up RAM from inactive tabs, so the browser doesn't keep using memory for pages you haven't touched in a while. This is a great setting if you like to keep lots of tabs open but still want better performance. Chrome will keep your active tabs ready to use, while reducing memory usage from the ones you're not currently using. So to recap, if Chrome is using too much memory, open the Task Manager from More Tools, sort by memory footprint, end the high memory process you don't need, and then enable Memory Saver in performance settings to help manage RAM automatically in the future. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.